Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how to install, download, and use Google Drive. So, first things first, you're going to want to open up your internet browser, which at this point should be Google Chrome. If you haven't downloaded that already, you should go back to step one and do that first. Um, Downloading Google Drive is pretty easy. You can just Google the term Google Drive, and it should be the first result with an option to download. Let's see here, Google Drive. Boom, download button, you click that, and it will take you here. So choose Mac or PC. I'm going to go ahead and run through it because I actually need to install it on my laptop. Accept and install, and it's downloading. Right down here we can see that it's now added to my download queue, and it's now added to my downloads. So I'm going to launch this by clicking on it and then hitting run. Wait a few seconds here. Yes, I'm going to allow this. On your marks, ... Probably going to take a little while because using a lot of bandwidth right now. Bear with me, folks. And once this is done, should be ready to rock and roll. Come on now. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. All right. Download complete. So let's see here. We can walk you through the configuration settings. Basically, this is going to be a new place for you to save any of your files, so you don't have to save it on your computer, which is great because you don't want your computer to just get slowed down over time and all your memory to get taken up with all the different reports and stuff you're going to be saving while doing your social media management. So, without any further ado, it's installed. I'm going to close this now and go ahead and just have a few things open here to show as examples. So first things first, when you're in Gmail to access your Google Drive, you can always click on this Apps button at the top right, which looks like a little Rubik's Cube, and then click on Drive, which will open up your drive here. Now, a couple things. To the left is your main navigation, where you could toggle between all of your drive, which means every single file you have access to. You can choose to select only the ones that are shared with you from other users that have shared something directly with you. And wherever you are, there's always the option to click on one of these stars. And what you're doing is making this item a starred item, so it shows up in your starred section. So here are all your important files. You can also make folders and then make those important by starring them so that you can access folders with an organized naming convention for files, or maybe multiple folders within folders for different things. For example, this is my go-to folder here where I have everything that I need organized, from social media to call tracking to web design. If you actually drill down on any of these, I have everything that I need for every type of service that we offer. So in the web design section, I have questionnaires, proposals, credit card authorization templates. And in the social media folder, which I'm accessing here from the left now, I have two folders, a social media management folder and a master folder. In my master folder, I'm going to create a folder for each social media manager that works for us. So here we have one that's working for us now, and he's going to have everything he needs here to do his job efficiently, such as a social media manual, the package out, and all the deliverables that come with the social media package, so he knows what to do, and if the client ever asks for it, he can provide him with a copy. We also have a folder for reports and engagement, so that every time the social media manager takes a snapshot of, say, a report from Facebook or something, he can add it to his Google Drive here, and then add it to Basecamp when he posts it to the client. So assuming you're managing an account, let's go ahead and walk through using Google Drive. And before we go any further, sorry, you're going to want to download a Chrome extension called Save to Google Drive. So go to Google Chrome extensions and search for that extension called Save to Google Drive. And it's right here. I have a link on this page that you're reading, so just make sure to click on that link. When you click on this, you just add it to Chrome, and I've already added it, so it's already there, and now it's right here at the top right. So at any point in time, if I wanted to take a snapshot of what I'm looking at, let's say I was looking at a report and I wanted to take a screenshot of my report, I could just click on this little button here, and let me go ahead and hit accept. So boom, it's added to my Google Drive. So now if I go back to my drive, here at the top we should see there it is. That screenshot that I just took has now been added. So it just takes a screenshot of whatever you're looking at and adds it to Google Drive. So let's say this was a Facebook snapshot that I took. I'm going to rename it Facebook report. We know it's not, but let's just say it was. I can rename it. I can share it with somebody. Say I wanted to share this. Going a little too fast here. Right click, you can rename it, you can share it with people, you can email it to people. So if you click on share, let's say you wanted to share it with somebody on your team, I can choose to share it with Ian. Boom, share. I would hit send, and then he would have access to this file now too. Now, let's say I wanted to move this because it's a Facebook report to my folder, which is in social media. I could drill down to my social media folder, master folder, Ian, reports, and move. So now if I go to my social media folder, which is in my master efficiency folder, drill down to Ian's reports, and there's my Facebook report. So it's really great and easy way to save your files instead of on your computer on a cloud-based storage system, which again is going to allow your computer to perform much better over the long run. Now, once you have that report, you would want to upload that report to the same social media post that you made originally with the post list for the month. So I would come in here and add it as a comment by clicking on attach files to this comment, clicking on choose file. Now, let's see here. There's my Google Drive. I think I have to refresh because I just downloaded Google Drive. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, I forgot to follow through with this part. So once you install Google Drive, make sure you follow through with this part and log in. I am going to log in now. There's something wrong. Let's see here. Spelled it wrong. That'll do it. All right, so now add files into this folder. Yes. Next. Next. Done. Now it will be here. So again, once you've saved something to Google Drive, you'll have this Google Drive button here. And it's probably loading up all my stuff right now, so it's going to take a second. Let's give it a sec to propagate. There it is. All right. So you would have to go ahead and scroll through this. You can choose the folder, search for your folder, Ian, and it will probably pull it up for you. Of course, this is all being loaded up right now, so it's taking a little while. Here's my efficiency. Here's my social media, and it's just loading up. But you can choose to upload the file once it's all loaded up, and you'll be able to add your report that you just saved to Google Drive as a message. So that's really it, guys. Again, it's a really useful tool when you're trying to take snapshots of your reports and save them to Drive. And you can also, use it to create spreadsheets inside of your Drive. For example, keeping track of, which clients you're organizing in your post lists, your dates, and stuff like that. You can also do things like add files to your Google Drive if you need to have them handy for whatever it might be. I'm going to go ahead and add a template post list PowerPoint, which we already have a video on the page for, so you could probably get to see that soon. And just as you can see, it's being uploaded from my computer straight to Google Drive. So here is a template of the post lists that you can use to present to your clients before scheduling them and actually posting them so that the client can approve of them. So again, this is Google Drive. Hope this has been helpful, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to your hiring manager or anybody on board that might be able to help you. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.